Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: updated Radeon drivers, a compatible cable, and the monitor's native EDID values. Open Radeon software and go straight to display settings. You want the custom resolutions area visible. Once there, click the Add or Create button to start a new mode. Enter your desired width, height, refresh rate, and timing standard, CVTRB or manual if you know exact timings. Make sure to choose a safe pixel clock under the cable, and once done with the basic mode, you move into timings. If you need a non-standard refresh, pick manual and input pixel clock, horizontal total, vertical total, front porch, back porch, and sync widths. These values control scan timing and image stability. Errors cause blank screens. Use CVTRB for reduced blanking when bandwidth is tight. After input, click Test or Apply. Radeon will try the mode temporarily. If the image appears stable, confirm to keep it. Finally, apply and set the custom resolution as your desktop mode. Then test with full-screen apps to confirm scaling and refresh. If the display goes blank, remember Radeon rolls back in around 15-20 seconds. Do nothing until it reverts. If it doesn't, power cycle or boot to safe mode to remove the bad mode. Troubleshoot by lowering refresh rate or using CVTRB reduced blanking and update the driver. One key tip: always keep a backup of original EDID or note native settings before changing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.